Hi, I'm Ben Bartle-Ross, Senior Technical Trainer for Mitsubishi Electric. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the unboxing of the Pack IF. So the first thing we're going to do when we get to the side, and we'll have a look at what we get and also what we don't get. So, let's have a nose. So, first off, instruction manual. One sensor, the actual unit itself, so this is good at your control box inside of it. We'll have a nose inside that in a second. Another set of thermistors, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of thermistors in there for you to wire in. And your hardwire control. Things you're not getting. The other wiring for connecting into the actual, between the actual unit and the Pack IF, so your S1, S2 and S3, which we'll go through, and any other connections you want to do onto the Pack IF itself, so depending on how you want to actually control the air handling unit, so we'll come to that a bit later on.